Welcome to our channel where we'll guide you through the simple steps to verify your DoorDash driver account without hassle. Welcome to our channel. If you're ready to start earning with DoorDash, the first essential step is verifying your DoorDash driver account. This process can seem complicated, but we're here to break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps so you can get on the road quickly and safely. First, visit the official DoorDash website or open the DoorDash driver app. Make sure you have your personal information ready, including your government-issued ID, social security number for background checks, and your vehicle information if you plan to deliver by car or bike. Once you've logged in or created your driver account, navigate to the verification section. Here, you will be prompted to upload your documents. Take clear, well-lit photos of your driver's license or state ID and confirm that all details are visible. Next, submit a selfie or a real-time photo to confirm your identity matches the documents provided. DoorDash will then run a background check, so allow a few business days for this process. Meanwhile, double-check your vehicle registration and insurance documents if applicable, as these might also be required depending on your delivery method and local regulations. After your documents are uploaded and your background check initiated, you will receive notifications through the app or email about your verification status. If any documents are unclear or rejected, promptly re-upload them to avoid delays. Once verified, you can log into the app and start accepting delivery requests immediately. Keep your account information up to date to avoid any interruptions. Remember, this verification process ensures the safety and trustworthiness of the DoorDash community. Follow these steps carefully to avoid frustration and get on the road as a verified DoorDash driver fast. At the end of your journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tips and guides to succeed as a delivery driver.